Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about chapter 1 Globes and Maps for class 5th part 4. So in previous part, we have learnt exercise part, choose the correct options, and today's class match the following. Match the following. See here students, it's question number 2, means it's B part, match the following. So you also do it correctly here in your book. Okay. See, so first question is there here, drawing of the earth. Drawing of the earth. Okay, see here students, B part, see, green. Second question, Portuguese explorer. Okay students, see here, I am writing front answer only here. Portuguese explorer. Third one, desert. Fourth one, small models of the earth. Small models of the earth. And fifth one is here, forest. Okay. In the chapter, we have learned these all topics. So one by one, we are learning these. Match the following. See here, first one is a drawing of the map, means drawing of the earth. The answer is there here, map. Drawing of the earth. So we can draw the earth on the surface, flat surface. We can draw only here maps. And second question is there here, Portuguese explorer. So Portuguese explorer, Ferdinand. So Ferdinand Magellan. Ferdinand Magellan, he was the Portuguese explorer, okay, and he was find out the earth was round, means the earth is round. So next see here, desert. So we have learnt in previous class about deserts. So when we have seen globe and also maps, so we have seen there some colors, some yellow color, some green color, also blue color and brown color mentioned on globes also and also in maps. But here we have learned that blue color, it is the water bodies, and some color like green, brown and yellow, these are the land masses. But here mentioned the green color, it mentions, it denotes that grasslands and plain lands, means it's a plains. And brown is denotes by the mountains. And here yellow, it denotes by the desert. Here answer is there, yellow. And next you see here small models of the earth. Small models of the earth. You know students, model of earth is known as globe. Model of earth is known as what? Globe. The answer is globe. So next is forest. So forest, these are green in color. So which color this? Green. Okay. So here completed yours. Part B questions. Match the following is here completed. So once again I am repeating this one. Match the following. First question is there here. Drawing of the earth is map. Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan. He was the explorer Ferdinand Magellan. And desert. So desert color is here denotes by yellow in color. And small models of the earth is globe. And forest, it is in green in color. It denotes by green color. Okay. And now again continuing C part, means question number 3rd. Question number 3 now. Exercise part, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay students, question number 1. Dash is a true model. Dash is a true model of the earth. So you know answer. Dash is the true model of the earth. See. True model of the earth. Answer is globe. Globe is a true model of the earth. Question number 2. Maps are drawings of the whole or the part of the earth. Part of the earth on a dash surface. Okay. Maps are drawings of the whole or the part of the earth on a dash surface. The answer is flat surface. The answer is flat surface. Question number 3. The shape of the earth is not perfectly dash. Okay. The shape of the earth is not perfectly spherical. Okay. Spherical. Question number 4. There are dash main directions on a map. Okay. The answer is there are 4 main directions on a map. Okay, these are exercise part. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. So first fill in the blanks. Globe is a true model of the earth? Second question, maps are drawings of the whole or the part of the earth on a flat surface. Question number 3, the shape of earth is not perfectly spherical. Question number 4, there are 4 main directions on a map. Okay students, today's exercise part, match the following and fill in the blanks completed here, but once again explaining these all. See here, question number 2 means that is a question B. Match the following. So you have learnt in today's class. So once again repeating that. See you. Drawing of the earth. The answer is map. Second one, Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan. Third one, desert. Answer is yellow. Small models of earth. It's a fourth. Small models of the earth. Answer is globe. And fifth one, forest. The answer is green. So next, question number C means question number 3rd, that is the C part. Fill in the blanks. A globe means globe is a true model of the earth. Question number 2, maps are drawings of the whole or the part of the earth on a flat surface. Question number 3, the shape of the earth is not perfectly spherical. Question number 4, there are 4 main directions on a map. Okay students, so you should be write on your notebook correctly. Okay, see here, this all note it means note down it correctly on your notebooks. So I hope in today's class you all are understood, and next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.